this video, I just want to show you how I was able to create that blur background that we use as a texture in our text in the tutorial that we made on the featured flyer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful at the end, please hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. What you do is just create circle, okay, normal regular circle with your shape tool, okay. I'll use the create shape tool and change it to circle. Create normal shape, okay. Then you can drag it anyhow, rotate it, just create random. Why there's another set that are filled with gradients. You have to fill the gradient, go to your shape tool, then color, then just select gradient, okay, and just fill with gradient, okay. You can fill it any color depending on the one you want, okay. You can fill with different gradient, but I chose this color because that's I want that orangey black, okay. That's the reason why I wait for it. Okay, now that you're done, just arrange them irregularly in a way that they are pleasing to you, something like this, okay. And once you're done, you have to save it, okay. Save it as image, save it as PNG so that it can be sharp, then click OK. So again, we are going to go to PCCC, okay, PSCC, okay, and we just blow it out. I believe by now you already know what I'm about to do, so you have to click import from gallery, and let's just go to Pixellab, okay, then scroll all the way down. I think it should be this one. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now we have it. This is the first one that I did. Just come here, and now all we just need to do is to come here and just click on basic, then go to blur, okay. And now we're going to create this blur, and that's it. And just click OK and save. Click done, save, and just export it by clicking here, clicking gallery, and you can save it as PNG. Now since it's not a transparent background, just click PNG and select our design, just click OK. So now we're done. Now we can come to Pixellab, and I think I've created some text before. Let's come here, and so on our text like this now, so we can come to texture, go to text folder, and just fill it with texture, okay, here. So we're going to use that one now to fill it. We're going to come here, and our gallery is going to open, and we're going to pick it. Look at here, just click OK, and just click OK. Now we have it filling our text. Again, always maintain ratio. You can always enable it, then just scale it in a way that you have that effect that you desire, okay, something like this. I think this is what we did the other time, and now we're able to have this gradient text effect, okay. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is the of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.